Hey guys, today we're gonna be showing you how to wire a fire alarm to a police station. So, in this case, it's a relay cedar, and I was gonna use this until I figured out, until I found out I didn't know how to, if that would work safely or not. So I'm just gonna use this, and then this, which so positive, negative. You see, I don't. No power, nothing here for positive or negative. So this is a redo on my first one where that's where I found that out. So anyways, why is it? Yeah. Okay, I don't want to damage the wire, so I'm gonna try to remove that. Okay, that seems to be fairly moved out. No. Let's not try to go any further. This is really a big shot piece. So connect the positive to the pull station. Positive from here. So we lock Exceeder, and then a Edwards or EST Sega. Go like that. You set like this. To open for that thing not to block the reset part. So then we're gonna flip this over. Get the camera on that. So this is already unscrewed. Just tendite. Just unscrew that. It's not already unscrewed. See, wire this in here from the fire alarm. And hope it stays in there. Dude, I'm about to have a battle crash over here. Like, stay in the fucking thing. Will ya? And then I'm gonna take, in this case, a black wire like this with strip one like this, so it can connect to the battery, connected to the negative on the pull station, not the pull station, but the fire alarm. That will be saved for the battery. Oh, god damn it. It came out. Oh my lord, that may unscrew. Like that's video. Oh, get these wires out. Oh, I said get these wires out. Get out. I said get out. I should, I'll just release the. I'll just release the other one too, the failed one. Because why not? Okay, I need to unscrew this. Get more. Yeah, I do, Ryan. I really don't care about being monetized on YouTube. I just do it for the fun, to entertain. I have Twitch for money. Can we please? Oh my god, just let me get the. You fucking idiot. Bro. There ain't no way. There ain't no fucking way. Okay. This is ridiculous, man. Oh my god, can you just get up and let me get the fucking wire in your fucking dumb ass? Hold on again. Can you unscrew? Not make it so I fucking strip your dumbass. Oh my god, I stripped it. Whoa. Oh my Lord of mercy. Okay, I'm getting it. Jesus. I'll be right back. I'm getting a flathead because this stupid dumbass screw just tripped at me. Oh my Lord. Help me. Lord have mercy. Sorry about the mess. Sorry about all the strain. Stuff is being extremely stupid. And I probably need to replace that damn screw. Like, that screw needs to be replaced. Because this dumbass got stripped. Oh my, I'm gonna strip it this way too, honestly. Like, oh my god. Okay, this is the best I can do. So now I can safely put the alarm on. Hopefully. Like, hopefully it doesn't... Hopefully the fucking wire doesn't come off. Now this is... I'm gonna see this. And then get a... That's a negative. That black one is a negative. Get a... I'm gonna try for a red wire. Here's a red wire. Red wire to indicate positive to the batteries. So I would unscrew this screw if it's not unscrewed. And hopefully I can put this in without stripping. I think it's true. Negative, positive, positive. Yeah, that should work. This shit should work. Now, flip this over. Connect, open, since these are in the bag, I'm gonna open these up. Move these. take the batteries out, connect them like this. Okay, not like that. Not like that. Oh my god. Like this. The negative. I believe it is on code 3. I mean, to be sure. So I'm going to use multiple times everyone. So, yep, it's on code 3. Connect. This is not the one that's connected to the fire alarm. Connect the negative one to the negative. Positive one. That's not the right one. Positive one to the positive. Now let's see. Reel it. Let's move stuff out of the way first. So, get the camera side. Lift up, pull down. It works. So you would reset it like this, and then you would, can I reset the thing? Thank you. Like that, and then like that. Now let's set it to continuous. So get this up. Get this up. Oh my god, I am going to crash out, man. There we go. Good, low, medium, high, continuous. Three, two, one. Reset it. And that's all, folks. Be sure to like and subscribe. See ya. Have a great day.